All right. Good evening, superstars, or good morning or good afternoon, whenever you're having this. This is a very short training on what you see based on the new update in Bitsports. Bitsports is one of the companies that is still on pre-launch, and pre-launch is a time where systems are checked, securities are checked, and we begin to do more to change the business, to look at the way the business have been running and how we are going to take it to the next phase. And one of the things that Bitsports, took as priority is security. Security of your funds, security of the system, right? They don't want anybody to take your funds from you because withdrawal in Bitsports is swift. So anybody that makes withdrawal in your account or add wallet before you can take it, but Bitsports have that covered. Now, every new member, once you register and then you want to log in, you are going to see something like this. Okay, let me log in into this account so I can show you. I'm logging into this account. This account is new. The account is just registered, but I've not added two-factor authenticator. So it can happen to new account that just registered or old account that has been running without a Google authenticator or what we call wallet, withdrawal wallet, right? So now I'm going to click on this. Now I'm going to log into this account. So once I log into this account, I can't do anything. I'll be restricted to use the features on this website. We have a lot of features on the menu. You have dashboard, finance, deposit, transfer, wallet, network, tools, promotion. But I can't use them because I've not added my Google Authenticator. I've not added wallet. So now what I'm going to do is to come here now. I have two options. One is what we call the two-factor setting. That is Google Authenticator. This is the Google Authenticator. And this one is the PIN transaction authentication. So all I just have to do now is to choose one. I can't do the two. I can only do one. So now Google Authenticator is based on a software application app that is on Google Play Store or on Apple Store. Just go there, type Google Authentication, you download that. So now from there, you can do what I'm about to show you. But if you want to use PIN, you don't need to download anything. The PIN, you need to get that from your head and say, this is the PIN I want to use. But there is a format. The format is as follows. You have to read this. It said at least one uppercase letter and one special character. Special characters are at, special characters are hash, special characters are dollars, percentage, whatever, iPhone up and down, at, all those kind of things are special characters. Then capital letter is big letter L or whatever letter you want, and then you can add numbers. Make it 6 in total, then you're fine. But now, I prefer Google Authenticator. But why they have the two is that you may not be able to do Google Authentication because you feel, oh, PIN, I'm the one that wrote it. I can write it down. It can be off heart or whatever to log your account. But remember, if you don't know your PIN, you cannot log in. That means you need support. That's you can log in, but you can't do transfers. You can't transfer from wallet to another person. You can't transfer your money to your wallet account and other things. So you need it. It's a transaction authentication. So every transaction you want to do on this side, you need that authentication to approve it, to show it's from you, right? So now we are going to do, I like the Google Authenticator part. So I'm going to do Google Authenticator. Now, see the way I'm going to do. I have it on my phone. But now, when you come to your phone, there's a part when you open your Google Authenticator app, you see a plus sign down. And at that plus sign, just click on it, that plus sign. As you see the plus sign, you will see scan a QR code and you see enter a setup key. Now, if you are using your phone, click on enter a setup key. On top, you see account name. Put maybe Bitsports, then your name. Bitsports this, your username. Then we now have your key. Paste this key, the key we have here. This is the key now. Click here to copy it and then go there and paste it. Then you now see type of key. You leave it at time base and click add, right? But now, for me, I want to use the second option, which is now I have my laptop, I have my phone. So I don't want to copy this code because I can't. So I'm going to use the QR code section. So clicking on that same plus, I'm going to use on top scan a QR code. So I click scan a QR code. Then I'm taking my phone now to scan it. If you are seeing, you can't see me that, but I've scanned it already. So the authentication code is saved. I can see it now. It put the username, are you getting, at Bitsports, and then damage. So, and it now have a number. I have to come back here and type that number. And this number is the number I'm going, once I type, I will click submit. And then you see that this side will be fine. This is simple. And then after this, I will now go to the second option of adding wallet, right? So now let me put the number that I have here now. I have 953. One thing about this, you can call the number to anybody. It doesn't mean anything because the number changes. So it's not static, right? And then I'll click it. It's done. So now authentication activated successfully. You can see that, right? So now the next thing I have to do now is show me to where I can add wallet. So now on this wallet now, you can put anything. Maybe my wallet, anything. It's your own. You can put anything you want on the label. Then on here now, I will now click to add wallet, right? So now I'm going to add the wallet. Let me check. I don't want to add anything. I have wallet there, but I want to check if that's my wallet. Although this is a practice account, but you have to go to now to get this wallet, you have to go to your Binance account. When you go to your Binance account, click on wallet as you open it. Then you go to sports. Then when you go to sports, search for USDT if you don't have it there, and search for it. Click on the USDT, and then you see where they see withdrawal and deposit. Click on deposit. And then you say choose network. Go down and choose Tron TRC20 network. And once you choose that, then you can now come and add it here, right? So you can now come and add it to your listing here. So now let me add, just click on this. I'm going to add this. You understand? Because I can remove it later. Then the Google Authenticator that I have here, I'm going to now see that. Go on the Google Authenticator, and then I click on the Authenticator. I'm going to put the Authenticator that I have here. I have 059. You can see 407. You can see that the one I put before and now is not the same. So I can call it for anybody. It doesn't mean anything. It will always change. So now that it has changed, that's when you can see, oh, wow, the account is now fine. So I cannot start using these functions. I can start using. Okay, now you see the pop-up message, oh, Bitsports AI, Masters of the Game, Malaysia, from September 15th to 18th. Are you going to be there? So now all you have to do is to click on this, this close sign. It's a star sign. Just click on it. It's closed. Then you have access to your account. Are you getting it? You have access to your account. You cannot do anything you want to do. If I click on tools now, I can see what I want to see. Are you getting it? If I now go back here, whatever I want to see, I can see. I click on dashboard. Everything. You can now send support. I can do a lot of things with the system now. I can even start buying package by clicking finance or go to here to click deposit. And then, but these things were not available for me before. That's when you can do. So that's what it is right now. That's how to access your account right away. So I believe you start doing it right now. Everybody, if you are new, if you are registering someone, know that if you are old, the same thing happens. As long as you've not put up your Google Authenticator before, you'll be prompt to do that immediately you join us.